Hi, this video will cover using the QGIS Plugin Manager for Lizmap to install your Lizmap plugins. You can view the plugins that are already installed via the Lizmap admin interface. And for our demo, we're going to be installing the wfsOutputExtension. Okay, so we'll start by changing to the plugins directory of your Lizmap installation. In my case, this is 3.55. You'll want to change that to whatever version you're using. And next, if it's not already installed, we need to install pip. So we'll go ahead and install it with apt install python 3 pip. And with pip installed, we can go ahead and use pip to install the QGIS Plugin Manager. With the QGIS Plugin Manager installed, we need to go ahead and initialize the QGIS Plugin Manager with QGIS Plugin Manager init. And then we'll go ahead and update Plugin Manager with QGIS Plugin Manager update. And as mentioned earlier, what we're going to be installing today is the wfsOutputExtension. And to do that, we'll use the syntax QGIS Plugin Manager install and the name of the plugin we're installing, which in this case is wfsOutputExtension. And we'll go ahead and install that. Okay, it's installed and it says tip, do not forget to restart QGIS server. We'll do that in a minute. What we also need to do is to change the ownership for the new plugin we just installed. And so we'll change the ownership with chown recursive for user www.data, group www.data, and the WFS output extension. We can verify that with here and make sure everything's owned by www.data. And finally, we can go ahead and restart Apache. And let's take a look at our admin panel. Okay, we can see that the WFS output extension is now installed and it shows us the version number as well. This procedure would be used for any plugin that you want to install.